What's going on, everybody? Another episode of 4x4 Camping and Adventures, and in today's episode I'm going to take you down to my local tyre power and install some new tyres. It's going to be pretty epic, and without further ado, let's get into it. So after that brief montage, you should be able to see now I have some Toyo RTs on the rig. And first thing what you do after you get some new tyres, well, you take them down to your local and give them an absolute thrashing. The reason I went with the RTs, I sort of explained that in the other video, but wanted to do something that's a little bit like a muddy, but a little bit like an all-terrain. So I do a lot of beach work, as you would know. Watch that's a little bit best of both worlds, and that's obviously why I went RT after a lot of talking to a lot of people in the game, that kind of thing, about which tyres to go for, and a lot of people recommended the RTs. That's why I went this way. And yeah, I'm about to go give him an absolute thrashing in some mud and see what the fuss is all about. So, as you can probably see, I'm absolutely stoked with the new tyres, and I think they look pretty awesome on the rig. I do actually really like this tread pattern with these centre locks, which are sort of locked into each other, and they're almost as aggressive as the muddies, which is pretty damn awesome. First impressions on the road, went up to 100 k's an hour and all that kind of stuff. Nice and quiet, definitely quieter than the muddies in that respect, but the muddies have 50,000 k's, so they're definitely going to be different in that respect. But nice and quiet so far, but they are brand new. I've had these tyres on here for about 5 minutes, they are that fresh. But without further ado, let's get some action shots, let's get some mud on this thing, and yeah, get the Triton screaming.